Welcome back to Rolling Legends, where legendary machines come to life. Today, we're diving into one of the most ferocious felines ever to hit the tarmac, the Jaguar GT. Now, when most people hear Jaguar, they think sleek, luxurious, and British charm, but the GT, it's a different beast. This is Jaguar's statement that elegance and raw performance can exist in one perfectly sculpted body. The Jaguar GT isn't just a car, it's an experience, a grand tour in the truest sense, designed not only to conquer long stretches of highway but to turn every corner into a memory. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you're greeted with a design that's both aggressive and graceful. The low-slung hood, sculpted sides, and wide stance scream power, while the signature LED lighting and minimalist lines keep things refined and unmistakably Jaguar. Under the hood, you'll typically find a supercharged V8 engine that roars to life with an unmistakable growl. We're talking over 500 horsepower and torque that pins you back in your seat the moment you touch the throttle. 0 to 60, just around 3.5 seconds. But here's the magic: it's not just fast in a straight line. Thanks to its lightweight aluminum chassis, adaptive suspension, and near-perfect weight distribution, the Jaguar GT corners like it's on rails. Whether you're attacking twisty mountain roads or cruising the Autobahn, the GT stays composed, planted, and always ready for more. Step inside, and Jaguar's commitment to craftsmanship shines through. Premium leather, real metal accents, and state-of-the-art tech make the cabin feel like a cockpit. Designed for both luxury and speed, the seating is supportive for long-distance drives yet sporty enough to handle spirited sessions. And with the digital instrument cluster and intuitive infotainment system, you're always connected without being distracted from what matters most, the drive. But what truly sets the Jaguar GT apart isn't just the numbers or the leather, it's the feeling. The way the steering communicates every texture of the road. The way the engine note builds from a deep purr to a savage roar. The way it makes you feel like a part of the machine. There's a soul here, something often lost in today's world of clinical speed and synthetic sensations. The GT is alive, and it wants you to be, too. Whether you're a lifelong fan of British motoring or just discovering the magic of Jaguar, the GT stands as a symbol of what happens when performance and beauty collide. It's not trying to be a Ferrari, it's not trying to be a Porsche, it's trying to be a Jaguar, and it does that better than anything else on the road. Thanks for riding with us on this journey through Jaguar greatness. If you love cars with personality, power, and pedigree, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to Rolling Legends, and stay tuned for more stories from the road. Until next time, keep the revs high and the legends rolling.